Come test drive the 2014 3 Series. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, cruise control, trip computer, multifunctional information center, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4 power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.